didn't have the space or a roof rack, we needed a kayak that was practical for fast, easy transport, fast setup, and easy breakdown. We discovered the Intex Explore K2 inflatable kayak set, which includes this double quick high output air pump. In this video, I'll be showing you a detailed setup, all sections being inflated, features, tips, and quick breakdown. This kayak model provides the convenient Boston valves, which provide quick inflation and deflation. Here's one of the black Boston valves, unscrewing for quick deflation. This kayak has 5 areas to inflate. Here's part 1. Here's part 2. That's a Boston valve. Only unscrew the top cap for inflation. Part 3 is your second Boston valve, again by only unscrewing the top cap for inflation. Part 4 is by inflating the front cover. If for some reason you get water inside your kayak, you have an option to use the drain plug that's at the rear of your kayak. Here's part 5, which inflates the rear cover. Next, we'll pump all 5 areas up on the kayak using the multi-tip pump. Note, this kayak has a 350 to 400 pound max weight capacity. Inflation parts 1, 2, and 3 uses the middle tip. Parts 4, 5, and the seats use the side tips. Surprisingly, it inflates within minutes. Here are the 2 Velcro seats with inflatable backrest and secure straps. Each part has its own valve for pumping. The inflatable Velcro seats are very comfortable. The inflatable backrests with straps provide back support. If there's going to be only one person in the kayak, I suggest placing the seat more towards the front for more control, stability, and better steering. Now let's go back and inflate the sides of the kayak. Again, we're using the middle tip for part 2 on the Boston valve. Next, we're going to go into part 3, which is the other side, which also uses the Boston valve. Now that we've finished parts 1, 2, and 3, fill up part 4, which is the front bumper, and also part 5, which is the rear bumper. After inflating the inflatable seats and backrest, we now are securing the inflatable backrest straps. Here's how to correctly install the fin. Okay, don't put it this way, it won't actually slide in. The fin tip should be facing the rear of the kayak. And this is how you actually release to remove the fin. Now you're ready to ride your Intex kayak. Next, I'll be showing you how to quickly deflate and store it all right back in your provided bag. Going to the Boston valve, you just unscrew the large cap and it quickly releases all the air from the sides, which are on parts 2 and part 3. Here I'm releasing the valve that's at the base bottom part of the kayak. The last 2 parts to release is part 4 and part 5. And to help to get the air out, you just roll the kayak, place it in your bag, and go. This lightweight Intex Explore K2 kayak, when inflated, is a little over 10 feet long, 3 feet wide, and almost 2 feet tall. It has a stable performance, constructed of super durable, thick PVC material. It includes 2 dual or kayak paddles, a gaugeless pump, includes a repair kit. Life vests are not included. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.